surpassed 40,000 deaths as cases continue to increase while almost 25,000 people have recovered nationwide. Confirmed cases in the US exceeded 8 lakh. The death toll is nearing 3,000 per day.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Sayan, for joining us. Now let's hear from Maggie, our correspondent from Italy.
Thank you, Meg. Right away, let's take a look at the pandemic update from Italy. As of the second week of April 2020, Italy reports more than 107,000 cases positive with COVID-19. Death toll is declining, but still fatality rate is more than 23,000. 44,000 COVID-19 patients are approaching to their complete recovery. Changes and dangers are still remaining the same. Government authorities are struggling to make a right decision to opening back the businesses and the schools. Police patrolling continues and medical staff contributes their best during this pandemic time. Even though the epicenter is in northern Italy, the entire Italy is in quarantine for about 40 days, dreaming for a better tomorrow. That's all for now. We'll keep you updated. Thank you. Back to Meg.
Thank you, Maggie, for the news updates. India, especially Kerala, became a role model to the whole world in handling COVID issues. Let's have a report.
Thank you, Mecklin. In India, more than 10,000 people have been affected and almost 507 people have been died. In Kerala, 461 are hospitalized in various hospitals, 13 recovers and 2 new cases reported today. The number of people under surveillance in the state has further come down to 55,590. Of these, 55,129 are quarantined at their homes. Kerala earns praise from all over the world for efficiently handling coronavirus issues. The Chief Minister, Health Minister and the whole health department, police force, fire safety, media and of course the common people works hard hand in hand to eradicate the pandemic. The authorities raise up to the situations and it's almost get hold of. And let's definitely hope that our land will soon become corona-free.
Now let's hear from Helvin from France.
Thank you, Mr. Mecklin. Here, a total 25,000 cases of infection have been reported in France. Well, warning, this was an underestimate as not all those with the virus had been tested, even though 4,000 tests were now being done every day. A total of 75,000 people have been hospitalized after falling ill with the virus.